Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be making me some Jamaican Barbie fried chicken, also known as barbecued fried chicken. This recipe reminds me so much of eating Jamaican KFC, but guess what? This is the homemade version, and I must say this recipe is a 10 out of a 10. I wanted to share with you guys so you can prepare it in your kitchen for yourself and your family. So if you want to learn this flavorful, delicious, and mouth-watering recipe, do not forget to subscribe if you're new here, and let's go ahead and prepare us some Barbie fried chicken. Let's go! These are all the ingredients that I will be using today to make my Barbie fried chicken, otherwise called barbecued fried chicken. Over here, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now the flour is going to be used to coat the chicken so the chicken can be fried. Please pay keen attention. You don't want to miss out none of these steps. All right. This recipe I go shot. When we say it I go shot, it I go shell way, meaning it's gonna be the bomb. All right. Here I have me some nice blended up mixed herb, otherwise called green seasoned blend. Here I have me some garlic, onion powder, bell peppers, thyme, scallion, you name it. I will be putting a link so you guys can see how to prepare this green mixed blend seasoning. All right, smells super good. Here I have me some browning, and this is roughly half teaspoon of browning. This is going to be going into my sauce that I'm going to prepare for my barbecue sauce. Here I have me some brown sugar, and this is roughly 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This is to make the sauce as well. All you see here is to make my sauce. Here I have me some ketchup, and this is roughly 2 tablespoons of ketchup. You have to use what you have. You don't have to use this ketchup if you don't have it. And this is like the Jamaican Grace ketchup. All right. Here I have me half cups of my barbecued sauce. This sauce is going to be hitting. Here I have all the dried seasoning that I am going to use to season up my chicken. Here I have me half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon onion powder. And here is my chicken. I have already cleaned, washed it, and pat dry, and it's just waiting for all of this niceness to, combine and marinate into this bad boy here. So if you want to learn this delicious, flavorful Barbie fried chicken recipe, please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's go ahead and cook us some Barbie fried chicken. Let's go. Now at this point, we are going to season up our chicken. So now here what we're going to do is all these dry season here, we are going to combine it together. To my chicken, I'm going to go ahead and pour me some of my olive oil over the chicken so all the seasoning can stick to the chicken. All right, I'll give it that rub, give it that massage so the oil is, well coated onto the chicken. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to pull it up so you guys literally could see everything. Now I'm just adding my mixed blend. Give it that mix. Make sure that mixed blend goes all in the creases. Up next, we are going to add our dried seasoning over the chicken, and we don't have to use all of this. That is enough, and just go ahead and rub that in. well coated. And here you have it. My chicken is all seasoned up and is looking oh so flavorful already. If your chicken doesn't look like this after you season it up, you're doing something wrong. Just take a close look at that. This is gonna be super flavorful and nice. So what I'm gonna do now, I am going to cover this up and I'm gonna leave this to marinate. Let it get sweaty and all of that, and I'm gonna come back in an hour time. So see you guys in the next hour. And we are back. Let's check up on our chicken. Wow, it is sweating and is smelling oh so good. Look at it, guys. OMG. I wish you all could smell all of this niceness right now, but you can try it in your kitchen. I know this is gonna be nice. All right, so we're gonna put this right here, put it to the side, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Let's go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to coat our chicken into our flour and we're gonna place it here. All right. Make sure all of that chicken is coated in our flour, and we're not gonna season our flour. We just want it to be plain, okay? So we're just gonna squeeze on the flour onto the chicken. All right. We're gonna shake off the excess flour from the chicken, and it looks perfect. And we're just gonna place it like this, right there. And we're just gonna continue the exact same process. We are finished coating our chicken. Take a look at how it's looking. Yes, this is exactly what you want your chicken to look like at the moment. What we are going to do now, we are going to move on to the next process where we are going to fry up our chicken. So let's go ahead and move on to that process. Let's go. To my pot, I'm going in with some of my extra virgin olive oil. As you can see, my oil is hot, and I'm just gonna take my time and add my chicken. To that, I'm just gonna drop me some garlic. We are back from the 8 minutes, and now I'm flipping over my chicken on the opposite side so it can be golden brown like this side right here. My chicken is completely finished. It is golden brown and it is fried properly. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm trying to drain off some of the excess oil. So what I'm doing here is place it on my paper towel so the excess oil can be drained off. As you can see, this is what the first batch of chicken looks like. It's on a paper towel, draining off the excess oil. This is the second batch of our chicken being fried. You want to follow the exact same step that I showed you frying the first batch of our chicken. Please follow those steps, all right? So basically, this is what the finished product of frying our chicken looks like. Let me give you guys a closer look. Look at all of that niceness. Crispy, flavorful, and delicious. OMG. So to our saucepan right here, we are going to make our Barbie fried sauce. So let's add in our ingredients. So here I'm going in with my ketchup, my barbecue sauce, going in with our sugar, going to give that a whisk. Meanwhile we're whisking that, we're going to add half cups of water, we're just trying to make sure everything is dissolved. Look at that color already. To that I'm gonna go in with my browning. Not gonna add a lot of browning because we don't want it to get too bitter or too dark. Now we're going to add a little bit of our seasoning that we, dry seasoning earlier. All right, just give it a little stir. Let's give it a taste test. Just need a pinch of salt. And when I say a pinch of salt, that's a pinch of salt. And we're going to let this simmer for 5 minutes on low heat. So see you guys back in 5 minutes. And we are back from the 5 minutes. And what we're going to do is we're going to check it. And look, everything is looking caramelized and nice. All right, so what we're going to do now, we don't want it to dry out anymore. So we're going to turn the stove off. And then we're going to move on to the next process. So let's go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add our chicken to our dish right here so we could pop it in the oven. So with a brush, I am going to brush my sauce onto my chicken.
So we are going to bake this side for 5 minutes and then we're going to come back and switch it over to the opposite side. All right?
We just took our chicken outside of the oven. It is sizzling hot and nice. Now we're going to flip it over on the opposite side. Now we are finished basting the other side of our Barbie fried chicken. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop it back inside of the oven so this side can bake for 5 minutes. It is piping hot, so yes. All right, so see you guys back in 5 minutes time. Let's go.
Here you have it, my Barbie fried chicken in my kitchen. This look reminds me so much of KFC barbecue chicken back home in Jamaica, but this is the homemade version. You don't want to miss out on this recipe, so give it a try and let me know your honest feedback. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to comment and let me know if you give it a try in your kitchen. Just let me get your honest feedback on how the turnout is. All right, so if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and also stay blessed. See you soon, and more content is coming up. Bye for now.